everyone, my name is Aarav. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be toppling this domino pyramid or wall me and my friend Aarav Gupta made. If you have not been to my channel, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of him. So he has been one of my best friends since the beginning, and today we planned up to make this, and we wanted to post this on YouTube. And by the way guys, by the way, look at this. We actually have a domino which is about to come out. So in case it falls down before we planned it to do, it's counted, okay? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, it worked! Thank you so much guys for watching our video. Thank you for your time and patience. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, that is it. And please do comment, share this video with other people to motivate me to do all these inspiring and wonderful videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.